Welcome back to MVP Auto 08, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews and automotive updates. Today, we're diving into a car that's making waves in the compact SUV market, the 2025 Ford Puma. Whether you're drawn to its sporty design, efficient performance, or tech-savvy features, the Puma is here to turn heads and redefine what a compact SUV can be. So buckle up as we take you on a deep dive into everything this vehicle has to offer. The 2025 Ford Puma is all about style and sophistication. With its aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic curves, this SUV has a sporty yet refined look. Ford has taken cues from their performance-oriented lineup, giving the Puma an edge that's hard to ignore. It's available with striking 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels and comes in a range of eye-catching colors like magnetic gray, luxe yellow, and frozen white. The sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like silhouette, while the bold rear end, complete with LED taillights, ensures it stands out in a crowd. Step inside the Puma, and you're greeted by a modern and well-thought-out interior. Soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout make it both stylish and functional. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing all the essential driving information at a glance. Meanwhile, the 10-inch touchscreen with Ford's Sync 4 system offers seamless connectivity, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging. The seats are not only supportive but also available with premium leather upholstery and heating options. And let's not forget the Puma's practicality. With up to 410 liters of cargo space and Ford's innovative Megabox underfloor storage, it's perfect for weekend getaways or daily commutes. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ford Puma doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powertrains to suit your needs. The standard 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine with mild hybrid technology delivers an impressive blend of power and efficiency, producing up to 155 horsepower. For those seeking more excitement, there's the Puma ST, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine pushing out 200 horsepower. With a sport-tuned suspension and sharp handling, the ST model is a joy to drive. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the Puma offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The optional all-wheel drive system adds confidence on slippery surfaces, while multiple drive modes, including Eco, Sport, and Slippery, let you tailor the performance to your liking. Ford has packed the 2025 Puma with cutting-edge technology to keep you connected and safe. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems under the Ford Copilot 360 suite. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera for easy parking. There's also pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, ensuring you're protected in unexpected situations. The infotainment system also features over-the-air updates, so your Puma stays up to date with the latest software enhancements. And for audiophiles, the available B&O Premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio for your favorite playlists. One of the highlights of the 2025 Ford Puma is its impressive fuel efficiency. Thanks to the mild hybrid system, the EcoBoost engine achieves up to 50 mpg, making it one of the most economical choices in its class. And with lower CO2 emissions, it's a greener option for environmentally conscious drivers. Ford offers the 2025 Puma in several trims to cater to a variety of preferences and budgets. Starting with the base titanium trim, you get a well-equipped SUV with all the essentials. Move up to the ST line for a sportier vibe, or go all out with the ST Line X, which adds luxury touches like leather seats and a panoramic sunroof. And if you're a thrill seeker, the ST model is your ultimate choice, combining performance and style in a compact package. Pricing starts at around $28,000 for the base model, while the top-tier ST trim comes in at just under $40,000. The Puma competes in a crowded segment, going head-to-head with rivals like the Volkswagen T-Roc, Hyundai Kona, and Nissan Juke. While each has its strengths, the Puma's blend of style, performance, and practicality gives it a unique edge. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Ford Puma? Well, it's clear that Ford has hit the mark with this compact SUV. It's stylish, practical, and packed with features, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile and fun-to-drive vehicle. Whether you're a city dweller, a weekend adventurer, or someone in between, the Puma is ready to meet your needs. So, if you're in the market for a compact SUV, the 2025 Ford Puma deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto 08 for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Ford Puma, and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Until next time, drive safe and take care.